the only task manager that follows up for you accounts. Meet FollowUP, powered by AI.
This procedure outlines the steps to change a task deadline within the Trueaiwork application. It ensures accurate deadline updates to maintain project timelines and compliance. Click the Your Task, open the task details. Click Edit Task to enable editing of the task properties. Click the current deadline date and time, January 1st, 2026 at 9 a.m. to modify the deadline. Click the desired day. Change your new deadline date. Click Done to confirm the new deadline selection. Click Save Changes to apply and save the updated task deadline. This procedure successfully updates the task deadline in Trueaiwork by editing the task details, selecting a new date, and saving the changes to ensure accurate project scheduling.